Do you want to prank your friends or make your desktop look mysterious? Imagine having a folder with no name at all. Looks impossible, right? But I'll show you a super easy trick to do it in just a few seconds. As you can see, I created a folder and it doesn't have a specific name. It means that this folder has no name. So how to create a folder with no name like this? Let's start. First, right click anywhere on your desktop. Then click on New and choose Folder. Now the folder will appear with the default name New Folder. Here is the trick. Delete the text. Press backspace. Now click in this box. Right click and come here to this part. Insert Unicode control character. Come here to this third one, ZWG. Click on this. Now enter. So now my folder has no name at all. And how easy is this to create a folder without no name? Thanks for watching.